Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the video today we will go through the difference between traditional models and foundation models. So traditional models are something which is popular since early 2000 when machine learning first came into a picture. So typically these traditional models are something which are trained on a specific data. For example, if we are looking at sales prediction, so it will have the data related to all the dependent variables for sales prediction. Likewise, if we are doing some spam classification, it will only contain the data with the label for spam or non-spam, right? So this is very task specific and domain specific. It has only data which is related to particular domain, and since the data is very specific, the computational resources which we often use for it are comparatively very less, right? And the examples of such models are this linear regression, decision tree, and CNN, and any neural network. Like if you can even add RNN or basic clustering which we do. So all these models are known as traditional models, where we have the very limited data and the data is also very task specific and domain specific. Contrary to traditional models, we have foundation models, which became more popular since 2021, I would say, uh, since the chat GPT came into picture. So these models are usually trained on a very vast and general data set. Like it would be having the most of the web data through multiple different website. Like it will have data from Wikipedia, it will have data from web crawler. So web crawler is it will have fetch data from entire internet. Then we have Reddit or other social media data. So it has data in multiple uh, GB and even terabytes sometimes. And these models are often designed to generalize many tasks. It can do any task depending on how you fine tune these models. And due to such vast amount of data, the computational resources are quite heavy. It uses several GPUs, and which lead to cost in millions. So it is something which not everybody can develop. So you can see there are multiple competitions between Google and Meta, and now even uh, Elon Musk company XAI has entered into this arena. So only big corporate houses can afford to have such foundation model which cost in billions of dollars, right? These are the example. Like GPT is a known name. Chat GPT is kind of a pioneer. It became popular through Chat GPT. After that, Bard come, which is later known as Gemini by Google. Then we have Llama from Meta, BERT, and then DALE. So there are multiple such models which are coming. Some of them are paid and some of them are kind of free to use for public. But these models have become very popular in recent times because this is kind of a reinventing the entire paradigm of machine learning. Now using foundation model, you can do fine tune and you can use it for which multiple purposes for different application. Like you can use it for spam classification the same way, the same thing which we used to have these traditional model, we can also use foundation model with with custom fine tuning. So the advantage of this model is it has a better understanding of language. So it gives a better results in most of the cases. We can also use it for maybe news clustering, depending on the content of the published uh, material. So there are multiple applications which can be utilized for uh, through this foundation model. So going ahead, we will further explore these foundation models and how exactly we can use it for different applications. and in our upcoming videos we will do that. And for today's video, that was it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.